Welcome to Tech Mania. Today we'll discover 25 impressive tools that y'all should have, whether for home, work, or fun. So enjoy. Have you ever wanted to really take flight? If you work at Domino's, maybe one day you'll get the chance with their new jetpack. Gazing at the city from the sky will now be just a matter of desire. I've always dreamed of being able to cut steel as easily as that. Haven't you? Well, maybe I should change my passion. You can now cut whatever you want without leaving a trace, if you know what I mean.
You can even tilt the saw if needed.
Filling the joints after finishing your floor is always a laborious task. Apparently, this guy doesn't have the same problems as us. Did you know that there are drills suited for all types of materials? I didn't, but this guy sure seems proud of his machine. The efficiency of this tool impresses me. In just a few seconds, we can shape our wooden board however we like. It's really practical.
With this tool, we can create the door of our dreams. It's super smooth and practical to use.
We can now change compartments in a piping system without having to replace everything. Awesome, isn't it? Moving your tiles and positioning them efficiently will no longer be a problem.
As simple as that?
Attaching your belongings and work tools should be as simple as this. The perfect gadget. This fastening tool makes you want to start doing manual work because it's so easy to use. It cuts through everything effortlessly. It's cool. We've found the perfect multitasking tool for your electrical cables. Interested?
You can even tie them up like candy too.
This new HP printer gives us the ability to really print whatever we want on the ground at a construction site. You're now ready to demolish everything. Easy to carry, small and useful. It's the perfect product. Installing shutters on your window has become child's play. Cutting your workboard manually with such precision is unprecedented. Apparently, we can now shape our wooden pieces with the same form. That's handy, isn't it? We've found the best tool for electricians. Who wants to try out this toy?
For those with hair all over their shower, we found the solution. No more clogged drains in the shower.
This cutter is perfect for rounding the corners of your table. Look how perfect the angles are. Unbelievable, right? This magnetic horizontal measuring tool is essential for any project, ensuring your light steel keel and tile laying jobs are perfectly aligned.
It's really super intuitive. Tidying up at the end of the day can sometimes be a pain, but not today, apparently. Is he really going to clean the whole road like that? Haha.
We've found the most impressive mattresses on the planet. They are memory foam and you can sleep peacefully, while your friend jumps around. Look, the mattress allows objects placed on it to stay balanced. It's super innovative, right? We've found another tool capable of moving your tiles with ease.
It's great.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Mania and to hit the like button. If you enjoyed the video, go to comment section. Tell us what crave you to buy after this video.